Welcome to the Elk Valley Preserve and Field Station. My name is Dr. Sean Collins, and I'm the Dean of the School of Natural and Behavioral Sciences. I teach in the biology department, and my specialty is stream ecology. This 70-acre preserve, located on the Elk River just minutes from campus, provides our students with the opportunity for ecological studies in a variety of terrestrial and aquatic habitat types typical of the Southern Appalachians. The Field Station, a fully functional ecology lab, is at the center of all research and operational activities in the preserve. Although our class sizes are usually much smaller, the lab can seat approximately 30 students. The building has equipment storage, including waders for stream work, aerial nets for insects, fish nets, seines, dissecting microscopes, bird feeders, tools, surveyor's flags, mammal traps, buckets, and field manuals for ID of plants and animals. Faculty use this space for lectures or demonstrations before field activities commence. One of many different habitats for study, this area is maintained as an old field with a variety of herbaceous vegetation. A diversity of flora and fauna exist here. It highlights an early successional stage where larger woody plants have not yet been established. There are bird and bat boxes to help attract wildlife and snake dens to provide a safe and warm place for snakes. This area is used by students to view birds, collect insects, and record plants. The mixed deciduous forest is dominated by beech and maple trees and is a common northern hardwood forest. By virtue of the elevation, many of the plants that occur in this area can also be found at higher latitudes. We also have a long-term salamander monitoring project in this area. We've now entered the Cove Forest. This area is a relatively steep slope with a small stream running down a draw. This landscape feature is like a miniature valley where headwater streams often originate. The Cove Forest microclimate is much more humid and has higher soil moisture than other forested areas of the preserve. The oak forest exists at the pinnacle of the preserve. This area near and on the top of the ridge represents a slightly drier microclimate, and the plants that exist here are adapted to these conditions. The Elk River runs through the preserve, and the forested area near the river is a riparian zone. The plants that occur in this area are slightly different than those found in the inner forest area or the Cove Forest. This also represents an important transition zone between terrestrial and aquatic habitats. The wetland area consists of a small stream coming from the Cove Forest that's been dammed by beavers. The flooded area contains hydric soils and water-loving plants like cattails.